You would not believe that I built a premium application under 5 minutes using just my smartphone, Gemini, and 2 more mobile applications. In this video, I will show you exactly how you can do this step by step. First, open your Gemini application and describe your application what you want to build. I will choose the Pro version of the Gemini because the Pro version is best for code and mathematics. You can use the prompt visible on the screen. Now Gemini will code your HTML, CSS and JS for your mobile applications. And now the second work is that you have to copy all these HTML, CSS and JS and test it on CodePen. Open CodePen website on your mobile browser and click on Start Coding. Now you will see the sections of HTML, CSS and JS. Now you have to paste all the HTML, CSS and JS on their positions. As you can see, it's run properly and all the buttons are working properly. Now, the third step is that you have to convert your code into files. And for that, we are using a code. We have to convert our all codes into file. For that, we rename it first. After renaming it, paste your HTML code into index.html section. Now save the file and select a folder. Always select a new folder for a new application. Again, take a new file, rename it style.css and paste your CSS code in this. Make sure all letters should be in small letter. Again, save it in your selected folder. Now, again do the same thing for JS file. First take a new file, rename it to script.js. Make sure that all the letters should be in the small letters. And the main part is to paste the code in the file and save the file. You can also check the file is it working or not by clicking on the play button. Moving to the next, that is web creation. Here we convert our code into a web page. For that, open your browser and search GitHub. As you can see, we are on the home page of GitHub. Now click on Home tab and go to the repositories section that is in the third option. Now click on New Repositories button. Then give a name to your repositories and add a description if you want. And make sure you have enabled the README button and click on Create Repositories. Here we go, our repositories has been created. Now click on plus icon and then upload files. Now here you have to upload your all code files. As you can see, I have uploaded my all files. Now click on Commit Changes button. And now you can see your files are visible on your repositories. Now go to Settings and then Pages. Now change the branch from None to Main. And then click to Save. And boom, everything has been done. Now it will take 30 seconds to 1 minute to publish your site. As you can see, the site is published and your domain is visible. Now, the major and the last step, converting our website into an app. For that, we are using this app. First, open the app and click on Create a new app. Then enter your website URL and then continue. Now fill some app details like app name, package name and upload your app icon and finally click on Start Building. Here we go. As you can see, our app is building. As you can see, our app is built it successfully. You can download from here and extract the zip file and install your app.